Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to tell you about the lesson in the 9th class, that is cell, its structure and function. Before entering into our lesson, I want to recapitulate or recall the lesson which you are already studied in the 8th class, that is cell, the basic unit of life. What that lesson you are already studied in the 8th class, that is cell, the basic unit of life. We are all know that the wall is made up of bricks. How the wall is made up of? The wall is made up of bricks. In the same way, our body is also made up of many cells. How our body is made up of? Our body is made up of many cells. You guys got a doubt, madam, ours is a huge body. How our body is made up of a small minute cell? I am going to explain this now. Cell, a small minute one. All the cells together forms the tissue. All the tissues together forms the organ. All the organs forms the organ system. Organ system forms the living organism. Okay, all the cells, many cells, millions of cells together form a tissue. Tissue is a part of the organ. These tissues together form the organ. Give one example for the organ. Eyes, heart, lungs. These are the examples for the organs. These organs together form the organ system. Digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, etc. All these systems together form the living organisms. Example, human beings, plants, animals, etc. comes under the organisms. So with this we come to the conclusion that cell is the basic unit of life. Cells are of different sizes. They vary from microscopic size to the large cell. How they vary? They varies microscopic size to the large size. Example for the microscopic cell is bacterial cell, whereas the example for the largest cell is ostrich egg. Okay, we all know that there is another world other than us. That world is called as microbial world. What is that world? That world is microbial. Microbial world means the world which contains the microorganisms. Microorganisms. The world which contains the microorganisms is called as microbial world. Micro means very small, which we can't see with our naked eye. We can't see with our naked eye. They can be seen under the microscope. How they can see? They seen under the microscope. The instrument which is used to see the microorganisms is called as microscope. We can see only with the help of the microscope. We can see the microorganisms. Give one example for the microorganism. The famous example, that is coronavirus. Though it is a microscopic organism, it is shaking the entire world. Really, that is a small minute microorganism. We can't see with our naked eye, but it is shaking the entire world. So in the next class, we are going to learn about the scientists who gave their great contribution in the discovery of these microorganisms with the help of an instrument, that is microscope, and the types of microscope in the next class. Thank you.